Did you know that Pelé was so famous he literally stopped a war? Picture this. It's 1969 and Nigeria is torn apart by civil war. Soldiers are fighting, bombs are dropping, and people are dying every single day. But then something magical happened. Word spread that the greatest soccer player who ever lived was coming to Lagos for an exhibition match. We're talking about Pelé, the man who made the impossible look easy on the soccer field. Here's where it gets absolutely insane. Both sides of this brutal civil war, enemies who had been killing each other for years, actually agreed to stop fighting. They called a 48-hour ceasefire just so their soldiers could watch Pelé play soccer. Think about that for a second. Literal warfare paused because one man was that good at kicking a ball around. For 2 whole days, guns went silent, soldiers put down their weapons and became soccer fans instead of warriors. That's the power of true greatness, folks. Pelé didn't just break records, he broke wars.